What's up, guys? Today we're going to play Face Your Fears. Then you guys can see what my fear is, I guess. My fears are documentary, but okay. What could fear of making decisions? Fear of failure. Oh, that could be me, you know. Who am I? Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I'm so happy to present to you our next attendant. Give it up for Coco Whitey. Oh, me. Yippee. Hello, guys. Oh, to walk. Damn, I'll be fit. Thank you, but I know I'm not. He pushed me. Oh man, that's no fun. Again. That's unfair. He pushed me. The air pushed me. Oh, play. Damn, they have a lot. Fear of being alone. I'm alone in the room, so you can't hear anyone. Well, okay. Fear of school. Man. No. Yeah, I'm so sorry for mocking you who are scared of school. But hey, I'm also scared to have some fight. Oh, that's my fear. Fear of heights. Fear of the dark? No. Fear of inside the dark? Nope. I've pet them before. Fear of time passing? Nope. Fear of... That could be my spoiled friend. I do have some. Fear of dying? Yes. But it was before. Phasmophobia, yo! Fear of thunderstorms and lightning. That was when I was so young. Fear of inside the water. Balloons popping. Damn, that's a jump scare. Fear of being robbed. Man, just do that kung fu, man. Like, kick, punch, and then uppercut. Perfect. Okay? This is fear of making decisions, so let's do it. But I'm not scared of making decisions. Like, this or that. I'ma pick this. Hello. Hi. Hi, random. Who lives and who dies? I mean, father or mother? Why them, man? If you're, then you'll be stuck here. Bro, I don't know. But they're fake, you know? Even if this was real, I would just die for them. But right now, I'ma stop for a real. Okay, I'm back. I quitted this thing because that was a big decision. Fear of being alone. No. I have a better plan. Fear of riding a car. Please wait, okay. Oh my bad. Okay, perfect. Wow, I love this car, man. What's a quiet thing? Imagine that guy just looked at me like, what you're looking at? Can I jump? No. Yo, what's up, other car? your father or brother, or I don't care. Give me some. I have to eat. I want some chips. Some soda, some ice cream, and then go home. Man, do something. It's boring here. I want to jump away from punch him. Man, I'ma stop. This too boring. This too boring. What's so scary about being in the car? I can just sing. I don't. Wow, this. Wow. Oh, fear of school. Maybe this fun. Man. Oh, 5 times 10. 32. I'm good in my math. Oh. Oh, 69. 72. Man, this gives me kind of jump scare with, damn, I don't know. 88. Oh, damn, that scared me for real. 80. Punch me how you want. I can do the upper. Oh my god. No, I'm not retry. Oh. Man, I'm a 11. But when did you give me a second jump? A jump scare, Not I said it accidentally. Okay. Please don't get me. Please don't get me. Please don't get me cancelled. I just did one bad word. One little word. And I'm getting already cancelled, I bet. Okay. No. Fear of heights. That's what I have. Outer space. I always wondered how to swim across the planet. Like jump. Wow, it's so preppy in here. It's so pretty, man. Yo. Damn, that's fun. Yo, that's so pretty. Yeah, well, you can't live here. Even, look, when I was younger, I didn't believe you could live here. Like, I was always like, I know I can't live here. It's too scary and I might die because of those different planets. Fear of the dark, fear of spiders. I don't actually do have scared of spiders, but, oh. Damn, I'm at my bed, just like in Roblox. Wow! Hey mother, can you buy me some Robux or spider, or I don't know, maybe I'm your spider kid. POV, you have sleep paralysis or something, and this happens on your sleep. That's not facing your fear, actually. That's being. What's the reason? Damn. Yo, poor people who are so scared, but they didn't even face their fear. Spending money. I will try that. What's so scary about spending money? Like, I'm sorry if it's your fear, but I don't have no money. I'm too fucking I'm too broke. I didn't said no nothing. I'm too broke. Okay. Oh damn. I have so trash. Yeah. I can tell that. Oh, 60 FPS. What's so scary about being alone? Like, I'm already like, if the lights are closed and it's like nighttime but not time to sleep, that would have been scary. Wow, a home for me alone. Let me eat my who the hell is this? Yeah, there's too many windows. Like, I'd be also scared if there were like, they're being home alone. I understand it's kind of scary, but that's an average room, you know. There I could live alone. Damn. Outside is so scary, man. I can tell why you're scared to stay alone and it's nighttime. So I would have also been scared, but it luckily doesn't happen to me. If you saw my video I made, I have 2 siblings, so I'm not scared. But that's kind of cool because fear of that. What can you do on this game? Like cough or something? Well, I'm in my coma. So preppy in here. Please don't let me die. I want to see my grandchildren. I guess I'm single. I want to see my grandchildren. Just let me die already. Like, if you're scared, man, don't worry, man. Your parent. Why is this picture? I have a picture in my vacation room. Oh, so you know, Muslims, they're kind of chill about it, but still crying for themselves, saying, "I had so much fun. Hope my family." I hope my family can realize all the stuff we had in memories. Like, oh my gosh, that's too so sweet. And some other religions also do that. That's so wholesome. So, if I had a PC, well, I play with someone else's PC. I won't tell who, though, but I play there sometimes. Fear of the dark, fear of spending money, fear of dying. Okay, that was it. Fear of water. Well, if it was Home Alone. Oh, balloon popping. Damn, I do have scared of balloon popping. It's like not scared. Like when they pop and it's a jump scare, man. Like boop, you jump out your bed or something, scream, "Damn! You scared me, man!" Oh no, it's a jump scare. Imagine a clown would be like, hee hee. Ay. Okay, it's actually kind of satisfying. Damn, it's not that bad. But if someone just came on my back and just pop a balloon behind me, I would have been scared, man. Man, everybody's like, and never mind. Let's go to the whole, this one. You guys can see where I'm tapping. Wait, didn't we see that time? Balloons popping? Fear of the ocean? Fear of ducks? Well, if there was a fear fire, fun fact, I actually blinked my finger 2 times. Fear of the... Yeah. Well, then let's go to the fear of dreams one. have nowhere to jump. Can you at least like try? I see a button. I ain't doing nothing. Look, there's where I'm